Okay, let's try this again. Hello everybody, this is Gary Calder, KB8UGP out here in the man cave, and I'm experimenting, making saltwater batteries. And I have some here already made, and I have some already in service right there, in conjunction with the capacitor to hold the milliamps up on it. The electrodes in it is aluminum and copper there. And it goes down in this jar right here, like that, and you put a lid on there. But it's salt water in there, about 3 teaspoons of salt water. And it's running this clock right now, which is using by right here. And I'm getting about 1 1/4 volts out of it. As you can see right there, 1 1/4 volts off it there. Now, people will say, oh, Gary, you got a battery in the back of that clock. No, I don't. I'll turn around here and show you. There is no battery in the back of that clock. Right there. Wires going right across here, right on up over to the jars there. And there ain't no cotton picking batteries in these jars any place, as you can see in there. That's all salt water. This is the thing. The government's been telling us, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. Hey, do you know that you can solve most of the world's energy problems by the ocean? The ocean is one vast battery. So isn't the earth one big vast battery. And they won't let you know that. So I'm just proving to the fact, the point, that you can do this, making saltwater batteries. And I got a friend of mine that's got enough of them made up that he's running a small trance receiver for amateur radio on it. And that's my plans on doing it. So I'd have communications anytime I want. But like I said, this thing's keeping good time. Let's see, 807. 807. So there you go. Saltwater batteries, not hard to make. Anybody can make them. That's just one thing you can make like that. You make enough of them there, you can run your little radio at home or other things. That depends on how many you make. So I just wanted to show that. Not hard to make at all. Like I said, that's all it is. Negative side, positive side. There you go. All right, just wanted to throw that in there for tonight. Y'all take care. God bless America. 73, KB8UGP, Gary in Enterprise, West Virginia. Bye-bye.